Here are some common mistakes every dropshipper makes as a beginner, so don't make them.
Before we get into the video, let me just take a second to introduce Shopify. If you're already dropshipping or you plan to dropship, the #1 e-commerce platform to use is Shopify. By signing up with the link below in the video description, for the first 3 months, you'll get a $1 discount on your subscription fee. That's right, just $1 for 3 months. Now back to the video.
The first mistake everybody makes is not doing enough product research. So make sure you do your product research, look on Google Trends, see what's popping, see what's the wow factor is, see the problem that it solves, and see if there's an audience for that product. Without enough product research, you're just going to be losing a lot of money. Without the right testing strategy in place, it's a big common mistake, and that's why a lot of people fail. The second most common mistake that I see everybody make is making sure the shipping time. So you want to make sure you have a good shipping time. I would say a most 15 days, and you want to be transparent on your store. So if the shipping time, delivery time takes up to 15 days, write it in your product page. Say expected delivery 5 to 15. You can do something like that, so it gives the customer a range of when they will receive their product. If there is a processing time, write that also on your store. You want to make sure you build credibility and trust with your customers. The next issue I always see is not customer service. So make sure your customer service is up to date. Make sure you respond to every email. If they have an issue, respond to them. If you want to hire someone, you can hire someone to take care of your customer service, because it is a lot to do for one person. But starting out, do it yourself and make sure you're on top of it. Respond to every email every single day. You can write in your store that customer service response is on business days only if you want the weekends to yourself. The next common mistake I see a lot of beginners do, and this is why they just stop the store after 1 month, is they spend too much money on marketing. So you want to go in with the right testing strategy. There are so many tools out you can use for organic marketing, just TikTok and Instagram Reels. So you can test your product on that, just making videos on it before spending money on paid marketing. That will save you a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of money. The final common mistake that I see a lot of people did, and I've done in the past, is brand identity. You want to make sure your product resonates with a brand. Whatever your brand is, make sure you have a branded Instagram page, branded TikTok page, branded Facebook page. You want a good logo. You want your store to look good. The store design should be good, that reflects your brand. You want to keep within the same color palettes. What you can do is you can search online good color palettes, modern color palettes, whatever your niche is. You want to make sure it resonates with your brand. Let's say if it's a beauty niche, you want like pinkish or purplish colors. You want to make sure your product does not look like a dropshipping product, quote unquote, but a branded product. You want to make sure you have good product images that have your brand name on it. You want to have a guarantee on it that reflects your brand. So to build a brand, you have to make sure it looks like a brand. A lot of people look into dropshipping and thinking it's just taking a random product, making a random store, like a general store, and just selling it. Dropshipping is just a means to an end. You find what product works, then you capitalize on that specific product and make a whole brand around it. So make sure you have a good brand identity if you find the right product for you. That's it for this video. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. That helps me a lot, and comment what other videos you want to see.